Good morning, viewers at home. This is Mathematics with Dr.O.J. In this video, we shall solve a tutorial question using completed square method. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. And at the same time, don't forget to click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be daily notified. Thank you. Now the example is solve 4x squared plus 6x minus 1 is equals to 0 using the completing the square method. Okay, now in this example we want to see the application of completing the square method for solving a quadratic equation. So clearly the given question is a quadratic equation. We have 4x squared plus 6x minus 1 is equals to 0. First of all, let us take the constant term to the other side. So we have 4x squared plus 6x is equals to 1. By the time minus 1 gets here, it becomes plus 1. Okay, having done that, now let's now divide through by 4. That is, that will give us what? X squared plus 6 all over 4x is equals to 1 all over 4. Now with that, it is clear that 2 can go here, so we have x squared plus 3 all over 2x is equals to 1 over 4, because 2 in 6, 3, 2 in 4, that is 2. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is to look at the coefficient of x here. What is the coefficient of x here? The coefficient of x here is 3 all over 2. Now divide the coefficient of x by 2. So we have 3 all over 2 divided by 2 over 1, which is 3 all over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. And that will give us 3 all over what? Over 4. Good. Now, having gotten that, the next thing now is we find the square of 3 all over 4. What is the square of 3 all over 4? The square of 3 over 4 is 3 all over 4 square. So add that square. Add 3 all over 4 squared to both sides of equation. Let me call this equation asterisk. Okay, equation asterisk. Okay, so we have x squared plus 3 all over 2x is equal to plus 3 all over 4 squared is equal to 1 all over 4 plus 3 all over 4 all squared. Okay, that's the meaning of the statement. So in this case now, we have to look for a complete square of the left hand side of the equation. How do you get the complete square of the left hand side of the equation? The complete square of the left hand side of the equation here, we take the square root of x squared here, we take it to be x. Then our 3 all over 4 has a positive sign when we look for the half of that particular coefficient. So we now take plus 3 all over 4. We now what? Put everything in the square. If our 3 over 4 had been minus 3 all over 4, we will have used minus 3 over 4 here. Okay, that will be equal to what? 1 all over 4 plus 3 square is 9, all over 4 square is 16. Okay, so with that, what's next? We had this to find the LCM. The LCM there is 16. 4 in 16, that is 4, times 1 is 4, plus 16 is 16, 1 times 9, that is 9. So that was 13 all over 16, which implies that x plus 3 all over 4 squared is now equal to what? Is now equal to 13 all over 16. So the next thing now to remove the square here, we have to find the square root of both sides. Find the square root of both sides. Okay, I hope you understand that. So we have what? X plus 3 all over 4 will be plus or minus square root of 13 all over 16. Why? Because we are finding the square root of both sides. We want to remove the square of this left hand side of the equation. So we have to find the square root of both sides because our target is to know the value of x. Okay, so with that, we are coming to the end of the problem very soon. Okay, so now to make it easy, we will add x plus 3 all over 4 in decimal places is at 0.75. Okay, is equal to plus or minus. Now the square root of 13 all over 16, that is 0.8125. Okay, so with that we have x plus 0.75 is equal to plus or minus. I hope we are there. All right. Okay, now what is square root of 0.8125? That is 0.9014. You check your calculator, you're going to have that as the square root. So what next? You can now have x to be equal to plus or minus 0.9014, then minus 0.7500, which implies x is equal to plus 0.9014 minus 0.7500, or x is equal to minus 0.9014 minus 0.7500. So you can now evaluate by pressing the value, using your calculator. So if you have the first one, x will be equal to, now you're trying to subtract base from this. So we have 0.9014 0.7500. Okay, that's 14, that's 581. All right, 0.1514. Or now the other one, that will be x equal to minus, because this one has a decimal, it has minus signs all through. So that will be what? You're adding 1, 4, 5, 16, 1 point. So your answer is 0.1514 or minus 1.6514. So that is that about the problem. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, click the subscribe button below the video. God bless you.